Hello, I am Stuart. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Tekken error code D-00001-00002-2/57Q4-43R8TNZ3FNZ. The error reads, "A network error has occurred." As per our research, this error occurs when players try to connect for a match. Some users have shared that they can play the match, but as soon as they try to rematch, they receive this error. During our research, we were unable to find any official information from the developers, but according to us, this is likely an issue caused by any kind of network interruptions between your network, game and device. To troubleshoot the error, we recommend you reboot the device and check for pending updates for the game. If the game needs to be updated, then update it and check for the error. If the game is up to date, then go to the game's social media pages and Discord server to check if there is any ongoing server maintenance. In case there's not any ongoing server maintenance, then we suggest you connect over a different network. You can choose between an alternate Wi-Fi connection or a mobile hotspot network. Check if you are still getting the error on the alternate network. If the error doesn't persist over the other network, then this means that you need to troubleshoot your network. You can reach out to your ISP in case you need any help. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.